is a little video that we're taking. Dolla seems to have befriended a little bird, and you can see the bird. It follows her around like it's his mom. Never seen this bird before, but it's been with Dolla pretty much all day, and she's been Dolla's been a little bit upset with Ruby being gone, and she's been running around the pasture, and everywhere that she goes, this little bird follows her everywhere. It started out in the pasture below with her, and it followed her up here. It's the most unusual little friendship I've ever seen. Alright. So I wanted to get this on video because I think it's amazing. This little bird stays out of her way. It's on the other side of her right now. She's rubbing her tummy. There she is. If you can see the little bird, it's in the shadow of her body. You can barely see the bird. There it is. And it stays away from her feet. I don't know how it does it, but everywhere the horsey goes, the bird goes with her. It's just a remarkable... Well, I think it tried to get on her just then. It's so cool.
The bird's funny.
Okay, so Dolla's coming back up. And there's the little bird following it. There she is. It's amazing. I'm not very good with this camera. Did she get on the bird?
That bird's funny.
It's on the ground with her. It's like... Oh, there, now he's got up on the trailer. Just seems to really like Dolla a lot. There, followed her over there. It's so strange. Oh. It's amazing, isn't it? We're gonna go riding, but Dad took Ruby to blow off some steam. Where's that bird? Okay, there's the bird. Oh my word, that is crazy. Just flies right next to him. There, she's up on her back. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Look at that, just perched up on her neck. Just loving life. I don't understand the... Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I'm not quite sure what the relationship here is, but they just seem to love each other. That's so funny. Should be on like True Animal Friends. Okay, there comes the bird. Where'd the bird go? So cool. I've never seen anything like it. It's amazing. It's like this little bird thinks Dolla is her mom. It's up on her neck now. Dolla does have a very strong maternal instinct. She's had 7 babies. Whatever it is, this bird likes her. So cool. Dolla's unhappy because she is not out there with Ruby. Those two have a very tight bond. Look, that little birdie's right there. It's so funny. There he is right there. Hi, Fifi. Fifi came back. It's just amazing. It's amazing how some animals click. Where'd the bird go? It's so cool. The bird is, I mean, you can't see him now, but he's still over there by Dolla. Yep. I wonder if this little bird is trying to calm her down somewhat. So odd. It's a miracle to see the way animals can be friends in nature. It was just up by her head. There she goes, and there's the bird.
Did you see what she did?
What? She pooped?
Yes.
And there's that little bird. It's just so cool. I can't get enough of their little friendship. Hi, bird. It's on the ground. It's amazing. Just over there in the grass, Aaliyah. Doesn't want to leave her side. It's so amazing. I've never seen any bird stick with any of our animals like that.